if you're not farming the grass airdrop yet, you might be missing out one of the easiest free crypto opportunity in 2026. People are already earning points daily, and guess what? The latest update just dropped and it's changed everything. All right, so in this video I will show you what is grass airdrop. We'll be talking also about the snapshot. I will tell you guys the new update that you must know, and also how to maximize your reward before the snapshot hits. All right, so right now let's get into it. Now, of course, first of all, what is grass airdrop? All right, so grass airdrop is a project that allows you to earn reward by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Yes, you literally get rewarded for for something you are already not using, as part of the following trend of decentralized network, kind of like turning your internet into a passive income. So right now let me quickly talk about the snapshot. All right, so because I believe this snapshot is one of the things that you guys want to really know about. So from the updates from the grass airdrop, we were actually updated that the snapshot is going to be coming before May. All right, so we are currently on the second quarter of 2026, and of course between this month of April and May we are going to be having the snapshot, and before the quarter 2 of 2026 runs out, we are going to be claiming the grass airdrop, meaning that we have less than 2 months before the end of grass airdrop season 2. So right now let me walk you through through the latest updates you need to know. First of all, the point system has been upgraded, meaning that grass has improved how points are calculated, meaning more consistent earnings if you stay active. Now the second one is of course referral boost, meaning that if you invite your friends now, it gives you a higher reward. So this is the best time to actually scale up. All right, so the third one is node activity actually matters more, because if your extension is inactive, your reward is going to drop so much. All right, so your uptime is very, very important. So you need to make sure that you keep your node very, very active, because the more active it is, the more you tend to earn. Now the fourth one is of course the possible snapshot, which is coming soon. So of course there is no strong there's no actual date pinpointed for the snapshot yet, but between what the date that I've just told you guys, which is between this April and May, we are going to be having the snapshot. All right, so let me quickly tell you guys how to join grass airdrop in case you are hearing about it for the first time. I know a lot of you believe that it's already late, but the fact remains that it's not late yet, because you are only required to achieve 100 hours uptime to be able to qualify for the grass airdrop. And achieving 100 hours uptime is very, very easy, because you just need to mine it for 5 days. You just need to create an account, keep it active for 5 days. Having it on for 5 days is going to be earning you 100 hours uptime, and that automatically qualifies you to receive the grass airdrop, provided that I've gotten enough points. All right, so to be able to get started with grass airdrop, in case you're hearing about it for the first time, you simply use the link right there on the video description box. Then you go to the official grass website, sign up with your email, install the browser extension, then you keep it running in the background. That's it. No stress, no investment. All right, so just make sure your device stay connected to the internet. Now let me tell you how you can be able to maximize your reward. To be able to maximize your reward, here are the pro tips. All right, first, you need to keep your device online as much as possible. Secondly, use multiple devices if allowed. Thirdly, invite friends using your referral link. Then finally, stay updated with the new announcements. All right, so this is not just about joining, it's about maximizing your early advantage. I mean, today the Epoch 18 just started today. All right, so and as you can see right here, I've already got about 315 points right here just today. All right, so of course the Epoch actually started yesterday, but I wasn't active yesterday. So today that I started with it, I've already got 315 points. It's so easy. And of course here we have the previous Epoch, where we have from Epoch 1 to Epoch 17. Currently we are on the Epoch 18. All right, so over here guys, it's all very, very easy and very, very safe. All right, so a lot of people ask question, is this safe? Of course, grass claims to use your unused bandwidth only, and your personal data remains very private and protected. But as always, only use projects you are comfortable with, and never forget to do your own research. All right, so yeah, that's everything you need to know about the grass latest airdrop update. If you find this video helpful, kindly do it to like the video, drop a comment if you have started farming, and subscribe because I post best airdrop opportunity before they go viral. And this is probably the last video about grass airdrop that you are ever going to be meeting, because I've made tens of video concerning this particular project called grass airdrop. All right, so trust me, you don't want to miss out the next one. All right, so I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that I'll be dropping very soon.